we will announce the top 10 of the Mrs. Beautiful 2010. Remember that this is in random order, so here are the judges' top 10 finalists.
And of course, that is starting with candidate number 9, Ana Graciela Manaloto. Wow.
Moving on to candidate number 4, Mrs. Elfa Gaco. Candidate number 1, Mrs. Joanne Harke.
And don't forget candidate number 11, Annalisa Espiritu.
And we also have candidate number 6, Leovida Rivas. Wow.
Next, candidate number 8, Mrs. Annabel De La Paz. And candidate number 13, Mrs. Anne Young. Believe it or not, she is the youngest of all the candidates tonight. And next, candidate number 10, Mrs. Angela Palacio.
Adding to that list is candidate number 5, Claire McCaffrey. And please take the last spot, candidate number 14, Carol Cristobal. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 10 finalists for Mrs. Beautiful 2010.
Ay, excuse me.
Ayos na. Wala ka bang pamaypay?
Oh, nako. Mukha namang nag-hyperventilate ka. Baka you wanna take a sip?
Oh, naku, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, nauuhaw nga ako.
Oo nga, sige.
Thank you. You're so kind. Thank you.
How hard is it to be in a swimsuit and walk the runway?
Oh, believe me, it's a tough job.
Yeah?
It was tough for me. I guess it's tough for them too.
Maybe I should try.
Alam mo, Steph, feeling ko talaga malakas yung laban ni Mami, ah.
I wish. Sana naman para hindi na tuluyang malukring yung nanay mo, no?
Ikaw talaga.
Ma'am Dorcas, may nagpapabigay po sa inyo.
Sino daw?
Ipinadeliver lang po.
Kanino galing yan?
Mark Sandoval?
I smell romance.
Okay, our first runner-up is candidate number...
Hindi! Rebecca! Anak ko, Rebecca! I won! I won! I am Miss Beautiful!
Sana kung matupad ko na yung pangako ko sa'yo, sana naman huwag mo akong iwanan.
Kailangan kong tumupad sa usapan dahil utang na loob ko ito sa'yo. Babalikan ko kayo kapag maayos na ulit ang mukha ko. Kakasama-sama pa rin tayo ulit.
Buti naman takadaan na tayo dito sa hospital. Tama yung naging desisyon mo.
Uwi pa ba tayo ng bahay?
Mabuti yung para sa kanya. Don't worry about it.